Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue and Outdoors. I've got a quick video for you today. Today I'm going to be reviewing a can crusher from Kanbol. A great addition to your backyard, so stay tuned. So last weekend we were hanging out by the pool and one of our sons mentioned that we needed a can crusher in our backyard. And as technology has advanced over the years, I don't know if something was listening to us, but the following Monday, a company, Kanbol, reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their can crusher. That's a little bit creepy on one hand, but on the other hand, it was kind of cool. So I said, sure, I'd be happy to try out their can crusher since it was mentioned the previous weekend. And so they were happy enough to send me one. Now, if you go online to Kanbol, they have all kinds of can crushers, different designs, different ones, and they also have manual ones. They have pneumatic ones. So go over there and check them out. But they sent me one, and I asked if I could get one that had an American flag theme, and so they sent me one of those. American flag on the side as well, and so it looks pretty cool. I think I'm going to mount it out there in the wood shop where our outdoor fridge is. That'll be a convenient spot. They sent hardware with it, which is pretty cool. I may end up using a little bit more heavy duty hardware, but they've got the anchors in there with it if you're going into drywall or something like that, and they've got the screws, and they sent some oil as well, and it says on the box right there, just to let you know that before you use it the first time and over time you might need to reapply a little bit of oil right there where the slide goes up and down, just so it slides really smoothly. And so as far as the construction goes, it has a padded handle, which is really nice. And I mean, it slides really easy. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so you know it's not going to bend when you're trying to crush cans and stuff like that. And so one of the cooler aspects is on the bottom, there's actually a bottle opener. So that's pretty cool too. So we're going to go out there to the wood shop right by the outdoor fridge and mount this thing and give it a try. Alright, so the metal piece slides up and down this channel right here on both sides. You do have to cut the tip off for the oil to come out. Ask me how I know that. So we're just going to give it a couple of drops and then slide it up and down, and then go to the other side and give it a couple more drops. Well, that was a big drop. Let it run down in there. Oh yeah. Very good. All right, now it's time to mount it. All right, so I'm gonna use my own Craig jig screws just because I like the bit on it better. So there's 3 screws on top and 1 on the very bottom down there. So it should be nice and sturdy. Done. It's not going anywhere. Now there's only one thing left to do. Try it out. Right, let's try it out. Easy. Look at the size of the can now. So now we set a big trash can down here, get us a bunch of cans that are crushed, take them to the recycler, and it's going to pay for itself. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below that you can check out. It's an affiliate link. It's a way for you to support the channel, and we appreciate it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, we'll be crushing cans and we'll be piddling. See you.